What's up, guys? This is my 1987 Mk1 16V. Okay, so I got the wheels on the car just to get it down onto the ground. So the car, as it sits, fueling system is short, suspension is short. So I'm just gonna start working on it and see how far I can go with the car, and then we'll take it from there. The injectors are out. I've had them serviced and cleaned. So we're gonna be replacing the lines, the tank, filter, and hopefully we can see if the car will start or if the motor will turn. Okay, so update on the car. I have the tank out, the lines are out as well, filter, fuel pump. So if you look here, you can see what the fuel turned into. It's kind of goo. So I'm just gonna get the fuel cell in the car. Probably gonna mount it where the back seats go. Run the lines, put the injectors in, the fuel filter in, and we'll see if we can get a fast start. If we can get a fast start. Hopefully we do, and there's no damage done to the motor for sitting for this amount of time. The wires are connected for the injector plugs. It's just gonna be a mock-up, so it's just connected down there. Hopefully we can get a fast start with these new injector plugs. If not, then gonna have to have a look at the wiring. So as the car stands, there is no fuel tank in at the moment. So I'm gonna have to mount the cell up this way. Mount the cell, the pump, to the pump wiring, battery in, and then yeah, we take it from there. Injectors are in, injector plugs are in, car has oil. We got the cell in, pump is in, the wiring is just mocked up for now to see if we can get a first start. So we're gonna try now and see what happens. car is revving clean, it's sounding healthy. Let me just run you through. So what's left is to do is to put the carby on, neaten up the wiring. Gotta wire the pump up correctly to the ignition. We just got it like manually connected just to get that first start. The fuel cell is working how it's supposed to. So for the final part, we're gonna be installing these coilovers. Josh from Airlux hooked us up once again. So once the coilovers are on, we're gonna lower the car down on the ground, bleed the brakes, and then we're gonna clean it up. So the car is done for now. The engine runs, suspension's on. I'm gonna have to turn the coilovers a little bit up in the front. I did raise the back up, but the front is a bit too slammed. This is how the car does sit for now. The cell is in, pump is in, plumbed up. Need to put the dashboard back together, and I also got to bleed the brakes. The car has no brakes at the moment.